So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an effective sales page using Canva. So first, open Canva and log in or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button at the top right. Then, in the search bar, type Sales Page to find pre-made templates that you can customize. Browse through the options and select a template that fits your style. Now that you have your template, you can start customizing it. Click on any text box to edit the text. Make sure to include key details about your product name, features, pricing, and a compelling call to action. To make it visually appealing, consider adding high-quality images of your product. Click on the Elements tab to find graphics or upload your own images. Once you're happy with the layout and design, double-check everything for clarity and impact. Make sure your page flows well and highlights the benefits of your product. When you're finished, click Download in the top right corner and choose your preferred file format. And that's it. You've created a sales page in Canva.